Good day, everyone, and thank you for joining us on the Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, your guide to the latest happenings in the world of business. Declines in the performance of the local stock market has pushed the paper losses of the investment arm of the Mayberry Group. Mayberry Jamaican Equities reported a net loss of $1.3 billion for the 3 months ending March 31st, compared with a loss of $238 million for the corresponding period in 2023. This performance was attributed mainly to net unrealized losses on investments in associates of $973.5 million for the period, compared with unrealized losses of $323 million for the similar quarter last year. Total operating expenses for the quarter ending March 31 decreased by $6.4 million to $48 million, or 12%, when compared to the corresponding period in the prior year. The Urban Development Corporation, UDC, is leading an innovative commercial development initiative aimed at revolutionizing business infrastructure in Jamaica. The project, Raintree Commercial Complex, located just outside Kingston at Caymanas Estate in Ferry Pen, St. Catherine, will provide lots for commercial and light industrial purposes with all essential amenities in place. Development of the 68 lots is projected for completion within 12 to 18 months. Speaking in an interview with JIS News, General Manager UDC Robert Hunnigan said, "What we are developing here is a commercial center that has all the amenities. You are talking about service lots, water being in place, sewage, electrical, roadways with a main access gate. It gives you first world finished amenities, and that's massive for the market," he noted. Mr. Hunnigan also said that the complex being close to Kingston gives us opportunity for trade and shipping, assembly and manufacturing, especially to the United States, our largest trading partner, and this is wonderful access to that market. So everyone should think about this opportunity. It doesn't come every day. During trading on April 30, 2024, the following companies valued at $500 million or more in assets represent the overall volume leaders on the main market of the Jamaica Stock Exchange. Wigton Wind Farm Limited ordinary shares with 7,726,267 units amounted to 45.32% of the market volume. Sagicor Select Funds Limited Financial with 2,442,811 units amounting to 14.33% of the market volume. Supreme Ventures Limited with 1,409,131 units amounted to 8.27% of the market volume. During trading on April 30, 2024, on the Jamaica Stock Exchange, the following companies represent the overall volume leaders on the junior stock market, with companies valued at $50 million or more in asset value. One Great Studio Company Limited with 7,885,193 units, amounting to 37.65% of the market volume. One-on-One Educational Services Limited with 1,689,284 units, amounting to 8.07% of the market volume. Future Energy Source Company Limited ordinary shares with 1,481,319 units, amounting to 7.07% of the market volume. Over on the Twin Island Republic of Trinidad and Tobago Stock Exchange, trading on April 30, 2024, registered a volume of 240,706 shares, crossing the floor of the exchange valued at $4,200,223 Trinidad and Tobago dollars and 68 cents. Angostura Holdings Limited was the volume leader with 84,721 shares, changing hands for a value of $1,929,915 Trinidad and Tobago dollars and 96 cents. Followed by Grace Kennedy Limited with a volume of 40,700 shares being traded for 162,805 Trinidad and Tobago dollars and 50 cents. Moving from the money moves of investors, executives, and companies, we turn to the Forex market. On April 30, 2024, the Bank of Jamaica reported that $56.3 million was bought from Forex traders, while $53.5 million was sold to Forex traders. Buying directly from the Bank of Jamaica, foreign currency traders sold the US dollar for $156.93 and bought the US dollar for $155.10. The difference between the buy and sell rate was $1.83, which represents a profit for Forex traders for every US dollar traded. Canadian Forex traders earned a trading profit of $1.80 from transactions with the Bank of Jamaica. The Canadian dollar was sold at $115.54 and bought for $113.74. Traders looking at the British pound, they pocketed a profit of $7.64, selling it for $198.15 and buying it for $190.51. For our credit report tip of the day, be aware of the length of your credit history. The length of time a borrower has held credit accounts impacts credit worthiness. A longer credit history provides more data for lenders to assess the borrower's repayment behavior. Generally, a longer history of responsible credit use is favorable. And with that, we wrap up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams. Appreciate your company. Stay well informed, stay ahead of the curve. Until our next update, take care.